Let's go on a little nature walk around the house.
Daddy, use the gun wisely.
Well, I have to carry my beer, so you lead the way. Shoot all my enemies.
Okay, who's your enemies?
Well, I don't really have any. Well, if you see a squirrel, you could shoot some water at it, or a chipmunk.
Fine.
And look at the tomatoes. Where's Mr. Spider? Is he still here? There he is. Look at this guy. He's the tomato watcher. He lives amongst tomatoes. Can't focus in on it. Oh, there we are.
I think I'm getting like 5 bug bites.
Look, I zoomed in on him. Whoa, he moved. Look at that. Wow. I don't know what kind of spider you are, but how would you like a squirt of water?
No.
Okay, I
It
guess.
might be rare.
Okay. Let's move on. There's another spider. Oh, what is that thing? What the heck is this guy? What are you? A fuzzy caterpillar that fell from a tree. Where are you? There you are. You're moving me when you lean on me, Dan. This thing just came out, descended from the tree on a little web, I'm sure. Let's continue our walk
Yeah,
in Natureland.
Squirrel.
What? Where?
I missed it. I missed it.
Shoot the flowers over here. They could probably use some water.
I can barely squirt this. It's leaking.
Can you get this yellow flower right here? This is called a yellow puffer. And I'm totally not even telling the truth.
I found a frog.
What? Where? Get out of here. Where? Oh my goodness, yeah. I see him. You know what they would love? Wait, let me get him first. I can't find him.
I was watering that
There he
plant,
is.
and then he jumped out of it.
He would like a squirt of water, I'm sure.
I just gave him one. He was
Do it again.
inside the plant. No, I'm not going to do that.
It really wants it. I'm telling you, they love water.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, frogs do like water.
Squirt it all around him then. Where'd he go? I can't find it. Oh, right by the bush. Plant, where's the plant? I'm so zoomed in, I can't find it.
I think he's a non-water frog.
A non-water frog. Get out of town. I think I see him. Is that him? Where is he?
Right there. He jumped on the brown leaf.
There he is. Oh, get back here,
I
you.
think it's rare to see a frog just
Oh.
wandering around, right?
Alright, well anyway, give him his water. Let's continue
Let's continue, even though we
on our nature walk of spiders, caterpillars, frogs, wild kids with water guns. Ah! You already got my private area nice and wet there. It's not a pee-pee stand. Thanks. Let's put it up on YouTube so everyone can see it.
Oh, yeah?
Here, hold the phone and take a picture of me. Here. Don't let it stop because it's on video. Got me? Back up. Okay, thanks. Because you're probably stopping the video.
No, I'm zooming in on pee-pee.
Oh, thanks. Let's go to the side and see those caterpillars that were on the side.
Yeah, they don't.
I would never hang my laundry here because when you take them in, it'll probably be covered in caterpillars. And that sucks.
No, it's probably just
Okay, we're on the side of the house, and this is Caterpillar Lane. We got this big old black hairy.
Hey, if they want water, it's on this wall.
Maybe they need a squirt or two.
No, it's right on the wall so they can have some stuff.
And we'll spray it around them then. And on top of them, and it'll drip down like it's raining. Yeah, spray it over them.
That's not working.
Go get a refill then.
Don't continue the...
Don't be lame out here on my video. Well, we haven't seen any deer in the video yet. And we haven't seen any bears in the video. But they're out here. And they come by. And here's a chipmunk. They love hanging out over here. This guy. Hello, Monsieur.
Hey guys.
Something's coming.
Hey guys,
Oh, this
we're
guy.
watching YouTube. Come inside.
Boy, what's inside, Dan?
Inside, Daddy. The nature walk is turning into an inside walk. Come on inside.
I'll come inside in a moment without the phone. Hey, you. Come on, guys. Come and eat. Boop. There you are. Whoa. Hey, you could share. What are you doing that for? You share.
Look in the window. Daddy. Hello.
Is that the bathroom? Dan the man's in the bathroom refilling the water guns. I'm gonna go get us a deer. Figure I'll look out on the street. Maybe I'll come across some. Ain't nothing down there. Across the street, vacant. What a nice plot that would be. Closest neighbors are like, you know, down the block and through the woods. Let's take a shot from across the street. All right, well, I can't find any deer, and I think that's about it for our nature walk. Oh, look at this beautiful feather. I'll keep it. A memento.